Hey everyone, I'm going to show you a quick way to fit your entire Excel sheet onto one printed page. Super handy for reports or handouts. First, open your Excel file. Go to the Page Layout tab at the top. Here, look for the Scale to Fit group. You'll see options for width, height, and scale. Click the drop-down under Width and select One Page. Then under Height, also select One Page. As you can see, Excel automatically shrinks the print area to fit everything on one page. If you want more, click File. Print to see a preview and adjust the scale percentage manually. Also check your margins under the Margins option and set them smaller if you need more space. And that's it. Now your whole sheet will print neatly on just one page. If this video helpful, then subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss any tech video from our channel. And if you have any question or comment, drop it in the comment section. I will try to help you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.